So while I'm waiting on parts, mainly the rear diff to get here, I did have to send the other one in as a core before they send it out, or you pay the refundable $200. So I just opted to send it to them. It cost me $40 to ship it back to them. In the meantime, I did repaint some stuff. The front bumper, that was black, stripped that all down, repainted it silver. The cover for the rear brake drum, painted that black, along with the battery hold down, and then the axle there, painted that silver again, along with the guard for that drum there, the bottom. And I did get the seat done, so that came out real nice. I don't know if you remember before, it was that blue and yellow. Came out real clean there. No, I attempted to do it on my other bike that I have a while back. That's where I have the seat cover from, and it was winter and it made it a lot more difficult. It's 100 and something out today, this past week, so just set that out in the sun for a while, and that stuff stretched pretty good. But I am waiting on the U-joint. I got a new one of those. That one wasn't bad, but if I'm going to be changing that, the shaft and the rear end, I might as well just do it right. Get all the parts, so that's all good to go. I'm probably going to work on this plastic here, see if I can clean that up, at least the front. The back, I'm just going to switch it out with the other one and clean that one up and send that with the buyer if they want it. But in the meantime, I'm just going to work on the plastic, see if I can get that cleaned up a bit, and we'll see how that goes.